Creating an online income has existed for 25 years, but you already knew that. The problem that you're facing is finding that online income in the shortest time possible. In 2026, there are hundreds of ways to make money online, if not thousands, and that's a good thing. The bad thing is, you don't know which one of them actually works for you. If you're anything like me, before I started, I had very few skills, but a lot of ambition. And this is a great spot to be, but it doesn't solve the problem of making an online income quickly. Until today. I've been doing this business and using it as my full-time income for 4 years now. It's taken me around the world to countries like Italy, Switzerland, Spain, and the list goes on forever. You see, the goal is to create an online income as quickly as possible, but that's just not realistic for most of the ways that are currently out there. Before finding what I'm about to show you, I spent hours on top of hours researching the fastest way to fund my future travels around the world. And looking back at it all that researching has led me to this online income that has changed my life forever. So let's get into it. Okay, when it comes to the quickest way to make an online income with this business model, we have to focus on the easy stuff. And I know this seems completely obvious, but it seems like every other business model that's out there in the world just focuses on this hard stuff that drives you in 1,000 different places at once. Okay, so now I want to give you some perspective on this because this business of what we're focusing on doesn't require all of this nonsense that everybody always asks for when it comes into making an online income online, right? People always say you need brains, money, warehouses, employees, a smoothie maker I have in here, because basically at this point they're requesting so much work or information from any person out there in the world that it's just not possible to be equipped, never mind the knowledge, but also the money and the resources to be able to do all of that. So let's dive right on into it and go right for the actual good stuff of what we're talking about here with this online income, right? Now, what you're going to see here to you, this is going to pop up and look like any regular Amazon listing. Everybody we all know shops on Amazon. But here's the thing. Most people don't realize that over 60% of Amazon's business, 60% of these products are sold by people like you and I, okay? Just regular people who are doing business on the Amazon marketplace. And I know what you might be thinking here, but just stick with me on this. You might be saying, well, there must be so much information, so many tools, so many tactics that goes into this. How do I actually make money or create a business, with just being a regular person? And here's the thing. Amazon allows pretty much anybody to open up a selling account. You open up an account, you buy products, you sell them on the marketplace. Amazon does all the work for you, and you're the one sitting back making the decisions to continue to do it. But let's break it down step by step. I want to show you guys of how it actually works and go into the nitty gritty of everything. Okay. So like I said, you're looking at an Amazon listing here. We have this certain product that's probably in every Walgreens, CVS, you name it in America, and it's probably all around the world at this point. Okay. But to you, this might be a lotion to use for a product. But as a seller, when you have the seller mindset, this is potential profit. And the way we do that is we dive into this bottom chart here, which is called this Keep a chart. It's $20 a month to have this software, but it should be worth thousands of dollars every month because it tells you all of the information you would ever need to know about this specific product. And I know if you're looking at this, you might be saying like, holy cow, what am I looking at? There's so many green charts, blue charts, purple charts, you name it. But it is the one of the easiest things to ever break down and look at. Believe me, I figured it out when I had no one teaching me it and when I had no knowledge in online business, e-commerce, anything at all. It becomes very, very simple once you do it after a few times. Okay. So first, let's look at it. Top chart, because this is essential to look at before we even talk about the product and how this process actually works. So this top chart is going to tell me what the price of the product is at any given time of the day, month, week, year, you name it. Then this middle chart is going to tell me how many times this product actually sells, right? Because it's very important because we have to decide how many units we're going to actually buy to sell on Amazon. And this third one tells me the competition. What other sellers are competing with us here on the listing? Just like any normal business or making ways of money online, you have to look at competition, price, and how many times you can sell it over and over and over again, okay? So this chart is very important, and the data goes back to, a year, 3,000 days, 2,000 days. Every single listing is different, but all the data and the knowledge that you need to know is right here in this product, okay? Now, before we even talk about profit, calculating a little bit, where do we buy this product? How much money could we potentially make on it? The process with Amazon is actually as simple as it could ever get with anything. Okay. So when it comes to buying and selling a product, let's say I'm going to buy this product from, this used certain product from Walgreens. It could potentially be from Walgreens itself because they're selling it at a good price with a discount, whatever it may be. Well, what I do here as an Amazon seller and what you do as an Amazon seller is buy this product, have it shipped directly to a packaging center. It's called a prep center where they label it right according to Amazon's requirements. They put basically your seller account, your name on it, so that Amazon knows that the process should be credited towards you when you get a sale. And they ship it over to Amazon's fulfillment center. And what happens there is all of your inventory, whether it's 1 unit or 100 units, is stored at Amazon. And when you get a sale, because when your inventory is live on the marketplace for this specific product, your name is going to pop up right here in this little buy box. You can see here, this seller is called Salem's Elite Shop. This is any random third-party seller. It could be you or I right now in this moment being this seller, right? It doesn't say Amazon.com. Maybe it's getting shipped by Amazon.com, but it doesn't mean that Amazon.com is actually the one who owns this product and purchased it from a supplier or whatever it may be. Okay. So once you actually buy your inventory, you're now in the competition, you're in the running to be in the buy box for your inventory to get sold. And I know you might be saying, like, well, how does my product get sold? Don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Okay. Now, when it comes to making a profit decision and seeing like how much money you could potentially make on this product, what you do here is you use this other software that's also $20 a month. I know it seems like the fees add up a little bit, but $40 a month, but to potentially make the money that I'm about to show you is really, really worth it. Okay. So right here in this little calculator, what I'm going to do here is mess around with these numbers, the sale price and the cost price, because this calculator already has all of Amazon's fees already baked in here. All right. It has everything from storage fees, shipping fees, fulfillment fees, FBA fees, every little fee that you probably might see online or might even think of is right here in here on SellerAmp. So whenever you type in a number like 17, this is the net profit that you put in your pocket as a seller. You don't have to worry about any other added fees or surprise fees or storage fees. These are the net profits, okay? But for this case, I'm going to keep this at 0 just until I show you guys of what everything looks like here. Now, this software is going to tell you a little bit about how many units are sold every month, but you can see that here, you can see that here, and you can see that in that other chart that we talked about. Also, it's going to tell you what the sale price is. Now, of course, you can change this around. If you believe that you can sell this product a little bit higher, well, you increase the sale price. If you think you're going to sell it a little bit lower, you decrease the sale price, right? And that number is going to allow you to dictate how much you want to spend on buying each unit of this product, okay? But this calculator also tells us, a quick hint, your max cost to buy this product is $18.41. Now, why is that the max cost? Because I want to make 30% ROI and $5 profit. And if I type in $8.41, 30% ROI, $5.50 profit pops up, okay? So it's like doing the work for you. Now, this seems great, right? You kind of get an idea of what it works, how it looks like, but where do you actually buy these products? And that's what this is here for. And it comes to suppliers. And no, you don't need a business, an EIN, a license, tax permit, sales skills, anything like that to buy these products. What you're doing is going to everyday retailers, whether they're big or small, and contacting them, or just going to their checkout page in general to buy the product and then bring it into Amazon's fulfillment center, right? So this product is being sold for $16.05, and it also has free shipping. But let's just say there's an extra sales tax in there, so we're going to pay $17. Let's just say, right? Now, when I put the buy cost of $17 into the product, then we're going to be making $6.94 and 41% ROI on every single unit that we sell. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, right? $6 for every product we sell. But here's the thing. This listing does 300 sales per month, okay? So when you go down here into the calculator here at the bottom, it gets even better. It actually estimates how much money you could make over the course of a month on each product, okay? So in this quantity tab here, now that we have all of our numbers set, I'm going to say, okay, we can't sell 300 units a month because we're only one seller and everybody's competing for these sales. But let's say we can sell 100 units per month, right? Maybe it's 75, maybe it's 50, whatever it may be. So if you sell through 100 units per month, you buy 100 units from a supplier, maybe like this one or maybe any other one, and you restock the inventory and you sell through all the units, that's $694 in profit, almost $3,700 in sales, starting from nothing, starting from zero, okay? Now, can $694 replace an income or anything like that? Probably not, right? But when you do this across 4 5, 6, 7 products, your catalog becomes stronger and stronger, and you're able to carry more and more products, have a lot more money in this online side hustle income that turned into a full-time income. And now you're at 4,000, 5,000, $10,000 a month in profit and a lot more money in revenue. Okay. And the process is very simple. There's no other way to kind of explain it or fake it other than that manner. And all you're doing here as an Amazon seller is reading the data, seeing what works, good price, good sales volume, good competition. Does the supplier price work? Yes, let's move forward, buy the product, and continue the process and continue the flow. So there it is when it comes to the quickest way to an online income. And like I've said so many times, my story, I gave myself 12 months to start this business and get on a one-way flight to Lisbon, Portugal to become this backpacker and traveler around the world to live my dream life. And it worked because I started with zero. And by, month 12 there in June 6th of 2023, I was doing 40K a month in revenue, which was about 5 to 6K a month in profit, which was more than enough to live overseas. So there is the quickest way to an online income. You don't have to do sales. You don't have to do client calls. You don't have to learn AI. You don't have to learn any of that. It's about reading this very simple data, breaking it down of what works, what doesn't work, continue to restock the inventory, let Amazon do all of the heavy lifting, and you continue to sell and create a good business out of it. So there we go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. As always, I'm going to be making more and more videos on this week after week, day after day, month after month. So I'll see you guys in the next one.